Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I am Jake. And Alice, I have a travel emergency.
Oh no, what happened?
So we are heading to that mountain lake trip soon, right? I started packing last night and I pulled out my favorite sweater, the one I was going to wear for dinner by the lake, and there is a stain on it, a big one.
Oh no, what kind of stain?
Coffee, from 2 weeks ago apparently. I thought it would come out in the wash, but it did not, and now I'm panicking.
Okay, first, do not panic. This is completely fixable. There are laundry and dry cleaning shops everywhere in the US, and they handle exactly this situation every single day.
But I've never been to a laundry shop in English. I don't even know where to start.
Well, today is your lucky day because that's exactly what we're learning. How to take your clothes to a laundry shop while traveling, what to say, what to ask, and how to handle everything from stains to pickup times.
This is the most practical episode we've done in a while. I genuinely need this right now.
Let's save that sweater. Let's go.
Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who is traveling. Okay, let's go to the laundry shop. So, Jake, you walk into the laundry shop with your clothes. The staff looks up and smiles. The first thing you say is, "I would like to drop off some laundry."
I would like to drop off some laundry. Drop off means to leave something at a place for someone else to take care of?
Exactly. Drop off is used in many situations. Drop off clothes at a laundry, drop off a package at the post office, drop off a friend at the airport. It means you are leaving something or someone somewhere temporarily.
I would like to drop off some laundry. I have 5 shirts and 2 pairs of pants. Like that?
Perfect. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the staff. You can also say, "I have a few items I need washed," or "I need to drop off some clothes for cleaning." All very natural.
I would like to drop off some laundry. Simple opener. They'll take it from there.
Right. And then they might ask, "What service do you need? Regular wash, dry cleaning, or both?" And that brings us to phrase 2. When you have something delicate, a nice jacket, a silk blouse, a wool sweater, you ask, "Can this be dry cleaned?"
Can this be dry cleaned? My sweater with the coffee stain. I should ask this for that one.
Definitely. Dry cleaning uses chemicals instead of water, so it's safer for delicate fabrics. And most good laundry shops in the US offer both regular washing and dry cleaning.
Can this be dry cleaned? And if they say yes, great. If they say it's not necessary for that fabric, also helpful information.
Exactly. Trust the staff. They handle fabrics all day. Now, once you hand everything over, your most important question is, when will it be ready?
When will it be ready? Because if I'm traveling, I need to know if I can pick it up before I leave.
Exactly. This question is critical when you're on a trip. Most shops will say, "Same day if you drop off by noon," or "tomorrow afternoon," or "48 hours for dry cleaning."
When will it be ready? I need it by Thursday. Is that possible? I can add a deadline.
Yes, always tell them your deadline. "I need it by Friday morning. Is that doable?" They'll tell you honestly if it's possible or not.
When will it be ready? I need it by Thursday. That's such a useful combination.
Good. Now, the big one, the reason you're going to the laundry shop in the first place, your coffee stain. You point to it and say, "Could you remove this stain?"
Could you remove this stain? And I just point at it?
Yes, always point directly at the stain when you ask. It removes any confusion. "Could you remove this stain? It's from coffee." Or, "I'm not sure what caused it." Both are fine to say.
Could you remove this stain? It's from coffee. I've had it for about 2 weeks. Is it still possible?
That's perfect. Giving them the information up front helps them assess whether it can come out. Some stains need special treatment. They'll tell you honestly.
Could you remove this stain? I'll say this the moment I walk in, before anything else.
Show them first. Stain first, then the rest of the clothes. And our last phrase, before you leave, you always want to know the cost. You ask, how much will it cost?
How much will it cost? Very direct, very important.
Essential, especially dry cleaning. It can be more expensive than regular washing. How much will it cost for everything? Or how much is the dry cleaning for just this one item?
How much will it cost? I want to know before I say yes, not after.
Always before. Get the quote first. And if they give you a total at the end, they'll usually hand you a receipt. Keep it. You'll need it to pick up your clothes.
How much will it cost? And then I keep the receipt. Got it. Okay, role play time?
Role play time. I'm the laundry shop staff. You just walked in with your sweater and a few other items. Ready?
Ready. Sweater in hand. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome in. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to drop off some laundry. I have a sweater, 2 shirts, and a pair of pants.
Of course. Are you looking for regular wash or dry cleaning?
For the shirts and pants, regular wash is fine. But for the sweater, can this be dry cleaned?
Let me take a look. Yes, this fabric is perfect for dry cleaning. No problem at all.
Oh, great. Actually, could you remove this stain? It's from coffee. I got it about 2 weeks ago.
Let me see. Yes, I think we can treat that. It might not come out 100%, but we'll do our best. Older stains can be tricky.
That's okay. Please try. And when will it be ready?
The regular wash will be ready tomorrow afternoon. The dry cleaning takes a little longer, about 48 hours, so everything would be ready by Thursday morning.
Thursday morning works perfectly. How much will it cost?
Let me add it up. The dry cleaning for the sweater is $12. The shirts are $4 each, and the pants are $5. So the total would be $25.
$25. That's fine. Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. You'll need this to pick everything up. See you Thursday.
Thank you so much. See you then.
That was flawless, Jake. You walked in, explained everything clearly, handled the stain question, confirmed the timing, and got the total. A complete laundry shop visit.
And the sweater has a chance. I feel so much better.
It does. Okay, let's wrap up. Think of these 5 phrases as your laundry shop survival kit for any trip.
I would like to drop off some laundry. Your opening line. Clear, polite, and tells them exactly why you're there. Hand over your items and let them guide you from there.
Can this be dry cleaned? For anything delicate, point to the item and ask. The staff will assess the fabric and give you honest advice.
When will it be ready? Always ask this, especially when traveling. Add your deadline, I need it by Thursday, so they can tell you right away if it's possible.
Could you remove this stain? Point directly at it and tell them what caused it if you know. The more information you give, the better they can help.
And how much will it cost? Always before you say yes. Get the quote up front, understand the total, and keep your receipt when you pay.
5 phrases, 1 complete laundry shop visit. Whether you're in New York, Chicago, or anywhere in the US, these phrases work everywhere.
And my sweater is going to be clean for the lake trip.
It is. Everyone at home, leave a comment. Have you ever had a laundry or stain emergency while traveling? What happened? Tell us in English.
We love your travel stories. And if today helped, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who is about to travel. Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone, and check your sweaters before you pack. Goodbye.